Intercom Enterprise Engagement Hub app. The pros, the cons. Intercom Enterprise Engagement Hub app is one of the leading platforms for customer communication and engagement, but is it the right choice for large organizations? On the positive side, Intercom offers a robust suite of tools including live chat, automated messaging, and customer support management. Enterprises can engage with customers in real time, send targeted campaigns, and track interactions across multiple channels. Its AI-powered chatbots help automate routine tasks, while detailed analytics allow teams to measure engagement, optimize messaging, and identify potential leads. Many enterprises see improved customer satisfaction and faster response times when using Intercom effectively. However, there are some limitations. Most people get this wrong. They assume Intercom alone can handle all engagement needs. The surprising truth is that complex workflows often require human oversight and integration with other tools to be truly effective. Additionally, enterprise pricing can be steep and onboarding can take time for large teams to fully configure the platform. Some users also note that customizing messaging for niche audiences may require advanced setup and ongoing maintenance. In conclusion, Intercom Enterprise Engagement Hub app is a powerful solution for enterprises looking to streamline customer engagement, automate communications, and gain actionable insights. Its strengths lie in real-time interactions, automation, and analytics. Enterprises maximize value by integrating Intercom into broader marketing and support strategies, training teams properly, and combining AI capabilities with human oversight. When used strategically, Intercom can enhance customer experience, boost engagement, and ultimately drive growth.